Covered in oil here because there's always a little bit of oil in these systems, but we get that out. Hey guys, Audi's back again. This time we're going to fix that boost leak once and for all, I hope. Let's get her jacked in the air. Maybe one more time. Okay, so now she's up. If you watch one of the previous videos, if not, I'll stick it up there. Watch that. We had a massive boost leak when we were coming on holiday. So, oh, ice cream van. Might get one in there. So, parts are finally in. Let's get this fitted. Okay guys, so slight little issue to our plan. We're missing the clip that goes around here. So, I don't know if you can see it, but there's this one just here. We need one of them. Don't know where it's gone, but I'm going to order a new one. Hopefully that'll be in the next 2 days. So the next clip should be after it turns up. So break to the next day. Okay guys, so it's another day. So the parts are now in. Okay, when I say it's another day, it's more like another week, because I had to wait for the parts to come in. Then hey, life gets in the way. But hey, it doesn't matter. But Roxy's already jacked up. So let's get back into it. Let's get this part changed. We're now underneath the car. You can't quite see it yet. I'll move you guys in a minute. Don't you panic. But this is the pipe we're going to sort out. This is one we have to change. Now, I'll angle you up. That should give you a good view there. So it's this pipe here. So in the last video, we put these on just so I can get home. Now, this was always going to be a temporary job, so we just need to get them off, but we're going to change the pipe. So we've got to take it off this joint, and this one, what we're waiting for the part, what we were waiting for in my bag of tricks. So it was this part here, was just a little retaining clip. We're waiting for that. But let's get cracking.
So comfortable.
There's probably going to be a little bit of oil in the system, but you probably can't hear this. Apparently I've lost that bolt. I need to put that bolt back in. And the one on the other side. I'll do that in a minute as well. So to get these off, you're going to put a little screwdriver in here. Clip pops out. It doesn't need to come out all the way, just a little bit. And let's hope I don't get covered in oil here, because there's always a little bit of oil in these systems, but get that out. We'll talk about this pipe in a minute. We'll get the clip on first, actually.
And no one seems to hold me like you do. You're so wonderful.
I don't know how well you can see this joint. Let me just move you for a second. Here we go. So you can see that's where the bottom of the clip goes. So we've got, so the actual bit you're going to put your spanner, your screwdriver is going to be on this side. Yeah, we'll put you back over here so you can see what's going on. There we go.
A star could never shine as bright as you. Shine as bright as you. Even the dark days still see light. Even the birds still.
That'll be enough actually. So we'll stick that end in that end, and then that end goes in there. Make sure it's clipped back in place. And that's nice and tight. Cool. That's nice and solid. That's nice and solid. Cool. See you in a minute. So, okay, that's all done. So as you can see, it was quite an easy job. It's only 2 clips. Pop it off. Shove the new pipe on. Pop it on. Problem was, this is the old pipe. So this is the old one we took off. What happens is, if you can get a nice view of it, you've got these tabs on the side, and that clip slides into these tabs. And on this one, they are definitely dead. So yeah, I'm glad I changed that. Stick that down there, that's out of the way. Don't need that anymore. So cool, that's that job done. So I'm going to end the video here. Thank you for watching, guys. All the people who have already subscribed, thank you very, very much. Everyone who hasn't, why haven't you? And please subscribe. Hope to see you in the next one. We out.